What? Yeah, I know I look ratchet. It's late. I had a full day. And shawties can't be out here looking cute all the time. Shoot.
Hey yo, it's Ari. I couldn't make it, but I can take a message.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari Comer. Okay, no, I can't do this. I look too ratchet. No, let me get a head tie or something. Can't even look at myself. I can go get my wig. Don't forget this. I ain't put on no wig for y'all. Who do you think this is? Welcome to Ariel's life. Today, as promised, I asked you guys in my previous video where I installed 132 mini twists in my hair in less than an hour, but I did it with regular cornrows. So I asked you guys if you wanted me to come out with a video showing how to do it if you don't know how to cornrow. So we're gonna get right into this, but first make sure you go follow me on Instagram at fitz-patrick and make sure you go subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Alright, let's just start. So as you can see, y'all see this big dirty stink up looking pimple you saw? Jeez, Avexina. Instead of cornrowing, you have a lot less work to do. As you can see, what I'm doing is literally just loosening out my cornrows and replacing them, but you would have to start from scratch, obviously. I have 14 cornrows going across. That's how I did my mini twist, so I'm gonna keep it 14 what would we call that? Elastirows? I like elastirows. We're gonna call it elastirows. Yes, we're making up words. Ha ha ha. We're gonna just take our edge control to help smooth it down. Please make your parts straighter than mine. And you're gonna pull it back to the back so it actually looks like a cornrow, you know? So you see how you guys just make a regular part just like as you would with any other cornrow. And then you take your elastic band, you can double it if you want, just wrap it around. And I think actually what I'm gonna do is bring these in like that. Y'all, I was thinking of doing my entire head, but I'm tired, man. And y'all already saw how the final result looks. So I'm just gonna do these three. And I'm gonna show you how to do the back. So what you're gonna do with the back, as you can see, I had cornrows, but we're not doing cornrows today. Remember, you're basically following the same pattern that I used for my cornrows. So I highly suggest you go on my previous video to see how my braid pattern was, because you're gonna be doing the same thing except with elastic. Is it straight? That feels pretty straight to me. So we're gonna slick it down as slick as you can. Again, you could use an edge control if you want. And then for the end, I'm just gonna do a braid. You know what? I could sense some of y'all gonna come after me in the comments like,
I thought you said this was braidless.
okay, whatever. You know what? Fine. I'll take it out and I'll do a twist instead. Okay, it's a twist. As you can see, I connected all of my cornrows in. You need to do the same thing, so we're gonna have to connect the ends of this into the other ones. We're gonna take our second row and we're gonna make our second elastic row. So we're gonna take our other elastic row, connect it into this one. You really should be like sleeping it down with y'all and stuff, but y'all, I have another hairstyling video to do for you guys right after this, so I'm not trying to put too much effort in, but I believe you guys can get the concept. So long story short, this is gonna end up being hooked up as you go along each elastic row, and it's gonna end up at the end. And then you just tuck, you know, like at the end of your last corner, you just tuck it underneath. So here's one of my twists that I took out. You go underneath. I'm gonna do one on the cornrow and we'll see the difference. Okay, so this is the cornrow. This is the elastic row. Ignore the frizz on this twist, like I used the bad twist. I should have used another one. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Alright, and that's this one on this elastic row. So this is the cornrow now. Alright, so this is how it looks on the cornrow, and this is how it looks on the elastic row. Tell me, do you see a difference, my friend? Look at that. you have to, like I said, and I stressed in my previous video, you have to pack the back of your head with twists because you don't want anything showing through. And bing bang boom, it's crocheted in, and you just do that throughout your entire head. It's just like the braidless crochet that has been on YouTube. Some people literally take their hair and they put it in a bun and they just crochet their braids on top of it, or their twists. You could try that, or if you want like a more flat look, then you could do this. Okay y'all, so you see this? You see this gapping that's going on? This is what you're not allowed to do. You need to do like what I did in my previous video. Again, y'all go watch it so you can see how I packed it. So make sure you pack all here, no gaps, none of this. Gaps are not allowed. I wanted to show you guys one more technique that some of you may feel more comfortable with, and it's basically like the connect the box technique. If you don't like the idea of just taking one elastic and holding it back, you're like, nah man, my hair is too thick for that, it's not gonna stick down. Don't worry, you can do several. You can do more boxes, you can do smaller boxes if you want, but then that's like your stitch elastic row. And then you go ahead and you crochet the same weight, and then you have that going all the way across. If this video gets 100 likes, I will post my takedown video, right? So cool, that's it. My face is so greasy, my gosh. Oh, I almost forgot, there's one more thing I need to do in this video, but only now I'm gonna get my wig, because I'm not about to do this with my hair like this. It's just, no, we gonna get the wig now. Alicia girl, we need to catfish the people now, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna put on a little 1-2 cap, you know, get some swag on. I'm gonna teach y'all how to catfish today. Alright, let's put on the hat. I'm literally a whole new person. I just wanted to, before I leave, just show you guys these goodies that I got from this company called hold on, it's Japanese, Nomakeno Life, and I think Nomakeno means beauty box in Japanese. I think that's what it said on the label. So it comes in this cute box, and basically it's like this subscription service that you pay a certain amount. I'll leave all the information in the description box below, don't worry about it. You pay a certain you pay a certain amount monthly, and they send you a box of goodies every single month for beauty. So it looks like this when you open it. It's just a little it's a whole book, but sis is not trying to read right now. Okay, oh, we got this. I'm sorry, I have to. Jeez, I actually scared myself. It hurts. How do you scare yourself? This is how it looks inside. First thing I see is the sheets for morning. I'm just gonna pretend like I know what that means. Then you have a wipe. Oh, they're cute. I just want to put it on my face right now, but I have on makeup. Oh, that feels so nice. Alright, next we got a green tea nose pack. Okay, I'm not gonna open that right now because I'm gonna use that when I actually don't have makeup on. Oh, mascara! I always need mascara. I think I'll keep this one in like my bag. Ooh, what's this? Moisturizing and brightening. I feel like they say what they do, but it doesn't tell you what it is. I'm gonna guess it's a moisturizer. Oh wait. Nope, it's a mask. It's definitely a mask. I love getting face masks. Next, we got a little something called a lip glow. This is how it looks. Ooh la la. Y'all look at that. Ooh, that is dope. I don't know what that does. I'm gonna try it right now. Wait. wait, hold on. I think that just changed the color of my lips. Y'all, I don't know why it's not showing on the camera. I feel like you guys can't see it. My lips just went from like nude to pink. I wasn't ready for that. Wow, y'all, I feel kind of dumb, so I'm just gonna interject right here in the video. It's been like 2 hours later, and I realized, remember this book that I threw away because I didn't want to read? It's a whole book, but sis is not trying to read right now. Well, it actually has all of the information that I was looking for. It tells you exactly what everything does. You see, look, if I read, I would have found out that they change color depending on your body temperature. That is so cool. I want to see the morning sheets. Okay, morning sheets. How to speed up your morning routine. Simply use that 10-second morning sheet in your... Oh, please, you need to wash your face. Don't listen to them. Wash your face and brush your teeth. Clean up your eyes. Anyway, these are so cool. And yeah, so read the booklet. Don't throw it away. Okay, next we got an eyelash curler and it's pink. Next we got rosy lip. That's so cute. It's like a cream lipstick. Look how pigmented that is. Oh shoot, this is no joke. In reality, this thing looks red. Like my flashing battery saying it's going to die red. Wait. There's another one. It's a mascara top coat. Oh look, it's white. Well, I can't stand how I look in red lipstick. Oh my gosh. I need to wipe this off. The morning wipes. Ah, you have a purpose now. Yes, so make sure you guys go check out Nomakeno Life. Is a beauty box from Japanese and Korean beauty products. And if you don't get it for anything else, get it for those darn wipes. Something's up with those. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Super special shout out to our featured subscriber of today's video. Bang bang. Thank you so much for your love, for your support, for sticking around. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day, a fantastic week, and a fantabulous life. God bless you. If you would like to be featured in any of my next videos, y'all already know what to do. Make sure you comment down below, and of course subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Whew. Okay, I can finally take this cap off now. Like, oh my gosh, that was hurting my head for some reason. I'm going to bed.